Did you know a king once forced his wife to drink wine from her own father's skull? In 567 CE, King Alboin of the Lombards had just conquered northern Italy. But victory wasn't enough for him. Decades earlier, the Gepid king Cunimund had killed Alboin's father in battle. Now Alboin wanted revenge. He hunted down Cunimund and challenged him to personal combat. After defeating and killing his enemy, Alboin did something horrifying. He carved Cunimund's skull into a drinking cup. Then he forced Cunimund's daughter Rosamund to marry him. At their wedding feast, he filled the skull cup with wine and handed it to his new bride. She was forced to toast her husband using her dead father's head. The psychological torture was unbearable. Rosamund secretly plotted her revenge with her lover. One night, they murdered Alboin in his sleep, plunging the Lombard kingdom into civil war. Sometimes revenge destroys everyone involved.